Traditional culture belum plan, very unique. Also, nanti ada something you talk belum kan, bisa represent one identity belum one clan, a tribe. Now you got one all. When we talk on them, bisa representing also the house tamperan, also the culture and all that kind. That's all long distance. Sakit milu was sampai tay out. Okay, ini putih apil kalau milu public was out boleh revival.
Kasi the story of independence, basta timbeken lo hiya lo maprik na ba or lo how fully beef club istati ko na. Eventually you make si parliament. So we had lo maprik meeting was sir. You know lo makim straight na bikin meaning bloso yung this la house tambarani sana pa. Kasi you meet why not you may hold him sampla competition o sir. Example lo maprik one LLG pla you may hold one pla house tambaran competition na. Where pamigol mini house tambaran. But this like all youth groups ba working. All elders place ba you play show him all, give him all get a school survey. Now all youth groups lo one LLG ba come out na build him lo field and then you got assessment panel lo elders no all kalsaman all customer ba kam sindam na. Walk about na assess him. Oh, okay. You blow young blow ba story. One story blow this like design you blow paint him. How you bla structure one materials even bilas bla you bla one meaning bla this lo bilas you bla putin lo soy mo sem lima sabe lo significance bla this la design this la color the meaning lo why or tungkol na iwokim I think you miss all kita time putin planti negative influence lo time bla this la kain bolyang play spark na migi why not you may work a kind of competition. Now, community, this time community, mas kampung lo, sana pi mo, this lo, liglo laos tambara. Yumi, look him na show him appreciation lo, save we all elders sigat, all elders blum all customer all save man before lo, linda this la traditional knowledge almost possible. Good pla web lo transfer him save to. Na make sure custom na history na culture you must continue.